Today we brings a Winsome double-floor home for 50 lakh with delightful interior. It is a budget double-story home for 50 lakh with 4 bedroom. Mentioned price is only for construction, interior and furniture. The land price is not included. This home consists of 4 bedrooms, 2 in ground and 2 in first floor. This home is located at Tanur, in Kerala. This house has area of 2000 square feet. Let's get into details. This house has a spacious sit-out with wood paneling work in wall. The cushion sofa is provided in sit-out. Also wood seating provided left side of sit-out. Here we see a shoe rack in the bottom of wood seating. Let's move in. We enter the living area, where we see the L-shaped cushion sofa and a coffee table. False ceiling work is available here also. The TV unit area is arranged very neatly with decors. The lotus with flower pot is provided under the staircase is super. The living and dining hall separated with small wooden and glass to place vases and decorations. Let's move into dining space. This is a 8-seated wood table. The wall is styled with decorative flower vases. This is the washing area with mirror. Common bathroom available in dining area. This is the bedroom view. A coat and wardrobe along with dressing area is available here. Let's move on to the second bedroom. We see a simple designed box cot and wardrobe. The door to the attached bathroom is a special one. Let's check now. Kitchen is modular type with rack storage. Three-burner gas stove is used, which is automatic ignite type. A automatic chimney is used here. Convertible refrigerator is used here. On top of the refrigerator, a fish aquarium is provided. The staircase designed with wood and glass. The right side wall of stair is styled with decorative flower vases, photo frames and texture works. Also in first stair landing, a fish aquarium is provided. Let's move on to the first floor. A beautiful hanging light are provided in stair roof. Also the roof is designed with pergolas for natural lighting purpose. Another feature of this house is the upper living. The living entry is given from stair landing. It is a small upper living room with a sofa set. Also a common toilet available in first floor. Let's check the first bedroom in first floor. It is well furnished bedroom with a attached bathroom. Let's move to second bedroom. Let's check the balcony then. Nice scenic view is available here. Overall, we have explored a nice home in budget. The bedrooms are enough spacious, and all the requirements are covered in this single-story home. Exterior look as well as interior looks are delightful.